Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marissa. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So let's get it started. So in today's video, I'll be doing a protein treatment and a face shaping cut or face framing cut. I don't know, but I just want to cut this whole long part off, like up to here. Yeah, in layers, because I never cut my hair. I never cut my hair like that much before, so we'll see how it goes. You can't be scared to experiment with your hair, okay? YOLO. So yeah, I am about to go and wash this out, like shampoo it, and then I'll be back with the protein treatment and all of that good jazz. Stick around. Yeah, so I did a protein treatment, a DIY protein treatment. It is a mixture of mayo, egg, peppermint oil, and olive oil. Hair needs some reviving, so that's why I say let me do this before I cut it. I just want to cut the front so my hair could have more layers because I don't really like how it does look like at the front, so that's why I'm doing this. It's in long. I only leave this in for like 30 minutes and then I take it out, and then after this follow it up with deep condition. So now I am back, guys. I just wash out my hair with the deep conditioner after when I finish with the egg, and I blow dry and flat iron my hair. The roots is still not as straight as I want it to be, but I'll just make it do. Hopefully this haircut comes out good. So I am not no professional. I just watch a ton of videos. So warning, it could be a haircut fail, so don't follow me. This is just what I'm doing, okay? I like to wear, I love these like things, like I don't know what these called, like bangs or what. Anyways, I love these layers, these front here. So they say to make a little crown where you want this to fall. Anyways, so they say to take the comb. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm cutting out about this much, like all of this. They say to turn the comb in, right? Oh my gosh, you guys please tell me to stop, please. All of this I'm cutting off. Oh child, I hope it cut good. Anyways, and they say to do it like diagonally, cut like this, like straight across like that. So I am beginning to cut. I cut it. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, it's actually in layers. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. Don't freak out yet, guys. It could be worse. And then now they say do the pointer method. I don't have shears, but this is the only scissors I just used to cut my hair. I don't cut my hair with anything else. So they say do the pointer method, right? Let me see how this look now. Okay, I should do a professional hair cutter. See, so far this is So you see how many I cut off? Wow, about this much here I cut off. So now I'm doing the exact same thing to the other side. I already started cutting the other day. As you guys can see here, is like short. I want it. Oh yeah, so it's level. So they say to curve in again. Take the comb and curve it in. I don't know why, but they say to curve in, so that's what I'm doing. Look again. And now do the pointer to dust out the ends. Okay, so that's how cut it in. So it actually look diagonally. Perfecto. Okay, so now let me see. Okay. Oh, so now I kind of get like a little. I just have to like bump the ends and see how it actually looks. So this is the after, guys. As you guys can see, it's not a big dramatic change, but you guys can see the layers going down, like, and this is what I like, and this is what I want for the longest time. And if I want, I can sweep it back and you get like some kind of feather look. But it don't look bad. It don't look bad. It don't look bad. Comment down below, tell me how it looks. So much better. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to give me a big like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notification while at it. So I hope you guys like it. It's not big like, you know, it's just something that I always want to do, but I'm just scared. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Enjoy me attempt cutting my hair. I just like playing with it. Sorry. Sorry if you don't like it, but anyways, until next time, bye guys. See, my days are cold without you.